For joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 Escape in magnetic. It has grey cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a hatch. It has a 4-cylinder engine, it's a front-wheel drive, and has an automatic transmission. It also has a backup camera as well as heated seats. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and the hatch release is here. The steering wheel can tilt, and on the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well you have a menu that you can toggle through. And this just gives you basic information, and you can go through top to bottom. Trip 1, Trip 2, information, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have your display screen, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. As well, you have AM, FM, and you also have a CD player, and you're seeing that at the top. And there's your volume and tuner and your different options, as well as your hazard lights. Down below is climate control. You have your front and rear defrost, as well as your max AC. There's your AC over there. And down below you have your traction control. In the little cubby, USB outlet, as well as 12 volts. You have an automatic select shifter. You have an electronic parking brake, a couple of cup holders, and your armrest has 2 tiers, so you can click for the shallow one and then click on the left for the deeper one, and you're seeing your 12 volt there, as well as more storage. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror. You have your lighting controls as well as a sunglass holder, and on the passenger side there's a grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. Inch wheels, body colored door handle, and in the back a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and just below the Ford badge is your backup camera. And then when you're ready to open up the lift gate, you can release it from inside, or you can just put your hand underneath and pull on the latch, and it'll lift right up for you. As you notice in the back, it's nice and roomy and carpeted, and off to the side there's a light and a 12 volt. There's also some hooks and a little bin off to the left. And then when you're ready to close everything up, simply put your hand in the right. There's a handle here. Pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. In the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. And so you bring down your headrest simply by pushing the button, and there's a lever at the base of the seat. When you pull that up, it'll bring it right down. And then you have access to the back cargo area. On the back of the seats, there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats. And then easily lift the seat with one hand into the upright position and flip up the headrest. On the back of the front seats are slim pockets, and in the center you have a 12 volt and a little cubby there. And up above there's lighting, hooks, and handles. Side capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.